Welcome to Design of Experiments Training, DOE Training for Engineers 2019, powered by tonex.com. Design of Experiments, DOE, is characterized as a part of Connected Insights manages arranging, directing, investigating, and deciphering control tests to assess the elements that control the estimation of a parameter or gathering of parameters. The Design of Experiments Training, DOE Training for Engineers course is intended to show you both hypothesis and hands-on prerequisites important to run and execute the DOE. Audience: quality managers and engineers, SPC coordinators, quality control technicians, consultants, R&D managers, scientists, engineers, and technicians, product and process engineers, design engineers. Training objectives: develop and apply necessary skills required later to solve, design, or optimize more complex problems. Perform a full DOE test matrix. Build a model, run a DOE to solve problems. Run a DOE to optimize a system. Analyze and interpret the DOE results, using ANOVA or graphical methods, whichever is relevant. Understand and perform analysis for experiments, main and interactive effects, experimental error, normal probability plots, identification of active efforts, and residual analysis. Recognize what parameters have the most impact. Set up a partial factorial DOE by applying confounding principle. Analyze and interpret the results from the partial factorial DOE. Understand the fundamentals and advantages of robust DOE. Decide when a response surface DOE needs to be executed. Pick the relevant response surface design. Analyze and interpret the results of response surface. Course outline. Overview of design of experiments. Planning of DOE. Problem solving with DOE. Analyzing the DOE results. Various categories of DOEs. 1. Various categories of DOEs. 2. Confounding. The robust Taguchi DOE. The response surface DOE. Are you interested in DOE training? Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course, audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website link www.tonex.com.